Throughout 40 years of history, KUKIL INNTOT has persisted and left no stone unturned. Diligent and committed to the safety of every employee. KUKIL INNTOT has remained by their side. Employees aren't just employees. They are fathers, mothers, and beloved children. They are all members of society at large. KUKIL INNTOT protects the world with quality management to prevent unfortunate accidents. Precise processing to provide optimal performance. And technical innovation for a healthier environment. Knowing that small things make the biggest difference. KUKIL INNTOT dreams of a safer tomorrow and a cleaner future. With zero accidents in the workplace, under the blue sky and sunshine, wishing for a brighter future for all, INNTOT will remain by your side.